Hello everyone, I am Neha Chaudhary, the HR manager of Digitoonz Media Entertainment Private Limited. As you all know that we have hired many of the students from EdTech, and basically whenever we hire someone from any of the institution, we are looking for his or her technical skills. And if the candidate has the good drawing skills, that is the best and plus advantages in our animation industry. But due to this current scenario of lockdown and work from home, if we have to select two candidates, I would prefer to go with the one who has experience of learn remotely, since there would be time when he or she has to work remotely. So it would help us to ensure that the person is able to absorb the directions or instructions given to him or her. So if you have these skills, we are looking forward to these types of more talents in our industry and from EdTech. Thank you so much.